Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Four wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. Silk beige MB-Tex interior. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. So the all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Dark wood trim, heated seats, memory seats. LED logo which appears when you open the door. Steering wheel controls. Also included is smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 19,650 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.